Been a while since it snowed, but thankfully it's snowing right now. Heading up to Loveland because it's the weekend and usually can avoid the crowds at Loveland on the weekends.
Hey, we are rocking and rolling with some snowfall in Dillon, and I'm going to say at this point it's a little bit of a surprise snow. There's some accumulation out there in the parking lot outside the studio. It's beautiful, and temperature's not too bad. 27, feeling like it's 24 from the crystallized storm center. Humidity 81%, and winds are pretty calm. The National Weather Service has us in a high wind warning. It's kicking off at 11 o'clock. Gusts around 40 miles per hour possible, and even stronger winds above tree line and along your major travel routes like US 285, parts of I-70 near the Front Range. You've got a passenger vehicle traction law in place, US 6, both directions over Loveland Pass. Also on I-70, both directions between Frisco and exit 203 and exit 221 at Bakerville. Currently, I-70 eastbound is closed.
That's Greene.
This is my daughter Celia. She loves your,
What's up,
she loves
Celia?
your channel. She says you got
awesome.
lots of subscribers.
Lots of subscribers. Check it out. You're talking to him right now. We're live on the YouTube.
You want to say anything to him?
Yeah. All right. Don't have to. Snow and wind. I didn't even see what they reported.
Yeah, they reported 1.5 inches, so by now it's probably about 2 inches.
Yeah.
It's been dumping decent this morning.
Here he goes. He's opening it up.
Absolutely.
Yes. I think that was a few minutes early. Woohoo! Right, we did it! Yeah! Woohoo! No complaints. First chairs on a snow day.
Where's that?
We're getting Hollywood hit ready. Brave enough, got your rock.
Right, I was about to say that landing does not look the best.
You better
But
stick it and lean
yeah,
back.
stick it and point it. Do not go on an edge.
You guys enjoy that wind today?
Oh yeah, you too. Okay, let's see what it's like. A little bit of fresh.
I've got the live stream on the parking lot on the go.
Oh, nice. And here we are. Second run, Loveland. Sean does the side hit. Oh yeah. Side hit mania. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, back on lift 6. Some snowy part. How was Ptarmigan?
Good.
It's good. Yeah.
Some Pac-Man shots.
Awa, awa, awa. Yeah, Sean. Nice, Austin. In the grab.
Alley-oops.